Meaning of house style.
House style.
House style.
House style.
House style. House style refers to the consistent visual and written identity of a particular organization or brand. It involves using the same set of design elements, such as fonts, color schemes, and logos, across all communication platforms such as website, social media pages, and marketing materials. In addition, it requires a uniform tone and voice for all written content, including press releases, web copy, and advertisements. By achieving a clear and recognizable house style, an organization can establish stronger brand recognition, professionalism, and trust among its audiences.